Firstly, Jess, congratulations on the 100th cap, most capped Wales player of all time, and the goal, and close to home as well. It's going to be a special day.
Yeah, it is. It's a really, really special day. I think I can enjoy it a little bit more now because obviously the build-up was great, but I still kind of have to focus on the game. But now the game's gone, so I can really sit back and appreciate today.
Have you had family members here watching today?
Yeah, I had loads of family here, which pretty much just sums up my support system. You know, they're brilliant, they're fantastic. I wouldn't be here without them, and they know that, so I thank them from the bottom of my heart.
And in terms of today's game, I thought it was quite an impressive performance. What was it like out on the pitch?
Yeah, it was. You know, we knew that Northern Ireland were going to have their strengths, which was in the air and very direct, and you know, that's always difficult to defend against, and I think we probably could have done that a little bit better today, but in parts I think we controlled the game, and when we connected and played through them, it was when we played fast, and you know, that stuff was really good. Overall, I think we can be pleased. It's a win, it's a great win for us, some great goals, so you know, we look forward to Friday now to build on today. Just like Cyprus was huge for us, these games are huge. They all give us a different game plan, really, like trying to deal with these and deal with the directness and their you know, physicality is a lot different to, say, with Hungary that we played in the Cyprus Cup, and we have to adapt to that. And when we play in the World Cup qualifiers, you play against different types of teams, and you've got to know how to play against them. So they're crucial. All games for us are crucial right now, and this is just a great win.
And just going back to the goal finally now, what can you remember of the ball coming in? Can you explain what was going through your mind as it was coming in on what is such a special occasion?
Yeah, I think I just hung around the back, and the ball came to Haz, and she did great actually. She knew I was there, played a little deft touch to me, and it was just bouncing. And I love a volley or a half volley. It's like one of my things. So I was like, all right, I'm just doing this, and thankfully I caught it, and it was a great moment for a great day.